Alright, so to get the flashlight set up on your watch as a shortcut, here are the exact steps. So just hit the top right button, and then just hit settings, and then you'll want to scroll all the way down to system. So just click system, boom, and then there it is right at the top, shortcuts. So just click shortcuts, and there it is. So on the Garmin Venue X1, there's only 2 buttons, so you only get a few shortcuts that you can set up. And here is my exact setup. So to hold start, which is the top button, that will turn the flashlight on and off. So if you hold the top right button for 2 seconds, you'll see that the flashlight comes on, which is pretty cool. And then you can change its brightness as well. But then to turn it off, just hold the top right button down, and boom. So that's the flashlight shortcut, which in my opinion is the coolest and most important feature for the Garmin Venue X1 watch. And then what I really like is the when you hold the back button, which is the bottom button, this will take you back to the home screen, because there's a lot of Garmin menus in the watch, so it's nice to just be able to hold the back button and get back to the watch face, which is the home screen. So I'll show you that in a second. And then the next thing is when you hold both buttons, I have that set up for alarms, because waking up on time every day is super important, not only for your health, but for your family. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get back to the watch face. So if you hold the bottom button down, it'll take you back there. So let's do that now. Boom! And you're right back to the watch face. Otherwise, if you're sitting here in all these menus, so see if you go to settings, system, shortcuts. If you don't have the hold the back button to get to the watch face, you have to sit here and swipe back multiple times just to get back to the watch face. So those are my setups for the shortcuts. So now let's get into the TriSchedule app updates. Alright, so if you don't have the TriSchedule app, just open up the App Store and then go to search, and then you'll want to just click down here and then type in TriSchedule. T-R-I schedule, one word, no spaces. And then just hit the search, and boom, there it is. So that's what the TriSchedule icon looks like. So if you don't have the TriSchedule app, go ahead and download it, because it is epic for coaching and athlete training. Alright, so once you download the TriSchedule app, just go ahead and open it. And so this is what the home screen looks like. So it has your planned activities, where you can create a workout there on the right. And then it also has your completed activities. And then if you click on your completed activity, it'll show all the details, the map, your pace, distance, elevation, all that stuff. And then you can just swipe down to get rid of that. So the latest update is this Friends tab. So now you can see all of your friends' activities, which is super cool. And to add a friend, just click the plus on the top right, and then you're right there in the Friends tab, and you can either get their trainer code, or you can just enter their email address. So pretty cool feature there. Alright, so now back to the Friends tab. So now you can see all your friends' activities, and you can even click on them and see all their data for the run. So this is one of my friends, and it was kind of a slow run, but pretty cool that you can see their activity and all the heart rate data, pace, elevation, all that stuff. So super cool now that you can see all your friends' activities. And then if you're a coach like me, there is also a coach activity thing where you can see all your athletes' activities. So super cool now that coaches can see all their athletes' activities and go in and look at all the details and all that. So those are the latest TriSchedule app updates. If you don't have the app, just click in the link below or go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. It's called TriSchedule, no spaces. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. See you in the next one.